Hey, Crazy Razor Club, this is Jonathan Chase, and I just wanted to say thank you. You guys have put together an awesome club. One, I love the fact that I can order the razors that I want, and they are shipped to me so that I don't have to go to the store and buy them. Number two, they're half the price of the name brand products such as Gillette Fusion and other big name brands. And I love the fact that I'm not paying as much. I love the fact that they're there when I'm looking for them. And three, it is so simple to do. All I had to do was set up the order once, and it happens over and over and over again. I love that. And I love the fact that I'm paying half of what I would normally pay if I went to the store. So I just wanted to tell you guys, I love the club. I love being a part of it. I love the razors. They're fantastic. Keep up the good work. That's all I wanted to say.